Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, looky here. The chart's trying to get back into the game here after lower low, lower low, lower low. I realize I state the obvious, but I'm trying to build context. A very nice move today. Any rational person would say from where it was to where it closed up, very nice move. But that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it is all about this level right here at 0014. Why is 0014 so important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 0014, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. But to be fair, I mean, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes on here to consolidate, difference being behaved in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down here. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, at this point, you now have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined again as 0014. So definitely a very, very important and helpful level to watch moving forward. In terms of areas of resistance, public enemy number one right now, all about this area right up here at 0021, which is where you can see, yes, the price was rejected today, but going back to the chart's history, you can see quite the track record of that presenting a problem. So public enemy number one, 0021. But overall, any angle you look at it, very impressive bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.